I hope you're all well. This video I think gonna be super quick. We're gonna be reviewing the brand new Makeup Revolution Laminate Brow. So it's not a So Brow. I've been obsessed with So Brow. I did a video before. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out. And I've been like rocking So Brows ever since. Love, love, love it. I think it's such a statement brows. But these are laminate brows. So we'll see if it's any better if they're So Brow thing. Because that really good. Like, I highly recommend that product. By the way, I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever. Nothing in the brows, nothing on the face, nada. Okay, let's check this out. Let's open this up. I took in a dark brown. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's very pretty. So we have a brow pen on one side. As they say, it's a blade detail tip, double-ended brow pencil with a blade-like tip one end to fill and detail brows, then a clear brow gel on the other to set and fluff brows for a laminated look. Ooh, okay. See, blade-like pen. Quite big. I'm kind of used to teeny like micro pen. I'm obsessed with the one from Makeup Obsessions. It's called the So Fine Brow Pen, I think. I have in dark brown as well. This one is like a tiny one, if you guys can see. Like super thin. Very comfortable to use. I'm super used to this one. This one is kind of chunky. So what they say is to fill in brows with this first and then to fluff it up with a clear gel. I love it. The gel is clear. It's not, you know, dark brown as well, because that would be just too dark for brows. Like two dark brown products, one on top of the other. So kind of like this part. So I got in a shade dark brown, as this is a shade that I use from Revolution products. I am currently obsessed with Makeup Obsessions So Fine Brow Pencil in dark brown. I love the Revolution Pro Precise Microblading Brow, I think it's called. I have this in dark brown as well. I love actually a lot of Makeup Revolution brow products, and I use all in dark brown. So I'm pretty sure the shade's gonna be the same, but I think, you know, you can just check it out. I'm just gonna do a quick swatch of this dark brown by Makeup Obsessions, the one that I'm currently using. You see me in all my videos. And then this new Laminate Brown in dark brown. Let's check the shade. Should be the same because it's exactly the same brand. Oh, excuse me. That looks orangey to me. Okay, shades definitely doesn't match. If you like me using dark brown in Revolution products and that matches you, this new one in dark brown won't match you. It's more like a warm brown. It has this orangey undertone to it, so I'm disappointed for that. But we're still gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna quickly brush my brows with a clean spoolie or flash brush or whatever you prefer to call it. Okay, so I always do my brows slightly bit like underlining and overlining on the top, outer part of the brows, just like a tail, not the front, because we want it to be kind of ombre. We don't want a big block brows. So what I'm always doing, I kind of fill in the brow barely. I don't go like super fill in it, because later we're gonna brush and kind of fluff that color around. And then I'm closer to the inner part of the brow. I go with more like a hair stroke. But this shade is not matching my natural hair color so badly. Like, this is my natural, you know, brow color. I'm definitely disappointed that they changed the color for a brow product. Like, why, Revolution? Why? Okay, taking the same clean spoolie, just gonna brush this up a bit. That's what I normally do. And then we're gonna try another side where there's a clear gel, and what they say in the packaging to do that is, because it's instructions in there, fluff up and set. I like that the brush is super tiny. I really don't like the brow product comes with a massive brush, like humongous brush, but it's even too big, you know, for lashes. For example, this product like by NYX Control Freak, really like the brow gel. Hate this brush. It's massive. How huge it is. It's like proper humongous mascara. And then this kind of brush is what we need for our brows. So thank you, Revolution. Okay, let's try fluff and set. know, guys, so far I don't know. What's ruined for me straight away is the color being wrong. I don't know why they changed that. I mean, the same company, the same brand, and color is so off. Never had that with Revolution before. I always buy dark brown or even sometimes warm brown. It's just I wasn't expecting this orangey undertone. Just, yeah, disappointed. If you're gonna go and get this product, make sure you check your color properly, which is very hard when you're buying online. I think I'd rather take, you know, this So Brow thing, because that was bomb. Like, I absolutely love that product. Love, love, love that product. I did a video for it. It's up on my channel if you guys want to check it out. Honestly, definitely recommend. So good. Such a good product. But then this one is a bit of a miss. Oh, me. I don't know. The brow looks kind of okay, I think. What do you guys think? I mean, I'll let you decide. Let's do this brow now. I don't know, guys. So far, I'm a bit skeptical. And you know my love for Revolution. Like, I review loads of Revolution products. I'm always super honest. Most of the time I like it because it's generally good, but okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna apply the makeup on, like full face of makeup, foundation and all, and then I'm gonna come back to you and we'll see how good or bad it is. So this is how my brows looks just now after application. And I'm back, guys. As you see, I have full face makeup now. I actually filmed this makeup tutorial, so I don't know which video is gonna be first up on my channel, but if it is, it's gonna be linked in here, or I would link afterwards, if that makes sense. The brows, I'm actually, like, if you guys can see it properly, I'm actually surprised how good the gel works. Like, it's proper staying in. In the beginning of the video when I just tried, I kind of was disappointed. You could probably tell from my tone of my voice, and you know, but because of the color, I don't know why they changed the color, because through all the Revolution products, Revolution Pro, dark brown was always the same dark brown. But this product, suddenly they decided to mix the shades. Why Revolution? No need for that. Come back to the original shades. Keep the same for all of your brands, so it's easier for us to pick the right, correct shade. Am I right? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you agree with me, because this now kind of looks, I think, slightly bit darker because I applied the foundation all over it and so on. You know, I did my makeup, so it kind of looks darker. It doesn't look that gingerish, if that makes sense, because it did look, was a bit off with my hair color, because my hair is, you know, cooler and my roots are so overgrown, and my natural brown hair was way darker than this super warm light brown color. Like, you know what I mean? So the color is definitely off. I would say check the color prior you're gonna buy the product. The product itself though is really good, so I can't fail a product just because the shade is off, because they changed the shades for some reason. It makes me so angry. Yeah, the product itself is good, the shades are very much so off. That's all I can say, because honestly you guys, like, I did all this makeup and everything and my brows are proper in place. I don't know if you see anything by me pressing. It's like if I would apply the hairspray or something, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I know what we meant when I say laminate brows, because my brows are definitely placed. It's not moving. Like, once I set with the gel, it's in there. Just a shade that I would need to change. So thumbs up, I guess, from me for this product, because the product is good. The shades are off. That's all I'm gonna say. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this brow product already. If it's a hit or miss from you, what you think, and what should I try next, what you would like to see me trying and doing a review of. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video and you want more videos from me, and press that button to subscribe. So important. I feel like I'm saying this every time because it's just so important. You're gonna like majorly support my channel by doing that. It doesn't cost a penny, it's free. Everyone likes freebie, right? So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye. Ciao for now, guys.